Welcome back everybody after a long time, and today in this video I will show you guys the new tram MOC I made for the LEGO city. So first of all, I know it's a very thick tram, but it's good. Because when we take off the roof, then you can see the big inside where it can fit many people. The only thing is it's very short, but that's because of the turning radius of the tram. But now that I think of it, I could actually make it longer because I'm planning on making the tram line only straight. So actually for the roof I just used random black pieces that looked good and looked like cables. And of course I made sure that you can take it off and put it back on. But now to what I like the most about this tram, it's the opening sliding doors. So for having this type of doors in this scale, I just use these Among Us type of pieces and also these droid hands or arms. At the door I attached this brick, and here is the whole basically mechanism that I made. It is very cool, but it's also very fragile, so I do it slowly. And now to an overview of the city with the tram in it. As I've already said, I'm planning on doing only straight tracks in this city, because integrating curves could be a little challenging. So in the end, I think the tram looks really nice, and also being in the city. If y'all got any suggestions or y'all want instructions to this MOC, then let me know in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see us in the next video.